guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be swatching and reviewing, just talking about my thoughts on the new H&M plant-based nail polishes. These aren't like super new anymore and I've purchased them like a couple of months ago, but you know, there were so many other collections that I wanted to put out first that these were put a little bit on hold, so sorry about that if you've been waiting on my swatches of these, but now is the time. There are 9 colors that I actually picked out myself. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just really love nail polishes and I love spending my spare budget on nail related items as well. But here I have got 2 of the little bottles. I'm just really into blues today and just blue colors and stuff like that, that I was like, I'm just going to grab these 2, which is a very light blue and a beautiful periwinkle kind of blurbish kind of color, like a blue purple. They're really gorgeous. So these are actually plant-based and that means it is a vegan formula. They contain 75% like of the ingredients is of natural origin and 76% of the formula is plant-based, which is something that I really recommend, really applaud for. I think it's a really good thing that brands are actually doing more vegan and plant-based ingredients and products and stuff like that. So yeah, if you're really into that as well, I'd say definitely check them out because the color range is insane and they are quite affordable as well. I think they were like $4.99 or $5.99 a bottle, so they are kind of like double the price of the Essence and Catrice Cosmetics polishes, but they are really nice and they have, as I mentioned, a really wide color range to choose from as well. Different finishes also. For now I only got, I think it's mostly creamy colors, so I'm really curious to see what the other maybe shimmery or maybe even pearlescent kind of finishes are like. I might even get my hands on some of those in the future, so if you have used or tried any of these plant-based ones by H&M and you have some recommendations or some colors that you're totally in love with, do let me know in the comment section down below, because not only am I really curious about that, I think a lot of other viewers are interested in that as well. But yeah, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But for now, I'm just going to quit the rambling. I hope you enjoy my swatches and let me know which one of the colors that I swatched in this video is your favorite in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video as well. So before going into the swatches, as usual, I will be showing you an overview of the colors that I got. Of course, there are way more colors to choose from. Just check out your local H&M store or get them online just like I did. These bottles all contain 8 milliliters and they are pretty decent formulated. The brush is quite easy and nice to work with. It has kind of like a rounded edge, which has my personal preference, but of course you can definitely switch out the brush if you feel like using a smaller one or maybe even a more wide one. And yeah, I did mention in the intro that they are about 5 towards 6 euros. I just quickly did a little checkup on that and I saw that they are 6.99 in euros for their regular pricing, but I got them during a sale, so I got them for 5.99. So come and go around 6 euros, you can get these polishes. But yeah, I'm just really excited to share these colors with you. They're all quite decent and not really super unique colors, but as I mentioned, there are more colors to choose from. And let's just start with the first one because it is quite a cute color. This one is called Bitter Lemon and it is a beautiful light, like lilac-y yellow kind of color. It is quite similar to the lemon light yellow kind of color that I got by Catrice Cosmetics, which was from their new I think it was a spring summer collection update. That color color specifically came out, but it is still in stores if you're curious about that. I feel like it's a little bit more deep in color compared to this H&M one, but it is half the price for just €2.99 in euros. So if you don't feel like spending like $5 towards $6, maybe even $7 on these polishes, definitely check out the Catrice Cosmetics and Essence Cosmetics polishes, because they are vegan, cruelty free, safe to use and all that jazz, and a lot of them are plant based as well. So yeah, that's just a little cheaper alternative if you do feel like using plant-based polishes or vegan polishes or anything like that. Definitely check out those brands. But yeah, let's just get back into these, because I was pretty much blown away with how opaque this one was with just 2 coats. I pretty much expected this one to be a 3-coater, but even for my length of nails, 2 coats was pretty decent already. So yeah, I think if you have shorter nails than I do, or you don't mind it being a little patchy or a little sheer every now and then, 2 coats is the way to go as well. Then, because I'm really into blue and yellow kind of polishes at the moment, I don't know, they're just such fun colors. I also picked up this yellow, which is more of a sunny, bright kind of yellow. Really gorgeous and just cute, and it's definitely a color that you can wear throughout summer and fall as well. It is a warmer kind of yellow, and I just love colors like these. Like seriously, you can match this up with any occasion, any outfit, and it just looks really, really cute. Oh, and for the record, this one is called Mimosa. I haven't even talked about what this one is called, but of course you can always see what the names of these polishes are, because I do show them right before I'm going into the swatch and right after as well. But if you have any questions on any of these polishes or any other question in general, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I love to answer your questions, or maybe just talk with you guys a little bit and say hi or whatever. But yeah, this color, once again, I am just swatching all of these colors with just 2 coats each, so you can definitely see what the end result will be like and what these polishes are capable of. I do feel like the lighter colors from this specific collection can be a little patchy with 2 coats, but not too bad opaque wise, if you know what I mean. I feel like there is definitely a good amount of pigment in here, so of course make sure to wear a decent base coat whenever you're going to slap these onto your nails. But the next color is a green. This one is called Cactus. It is actually one of those green colors that is perfect for nail art if you want to do like a floral design, or maybe just use it as a background color for nail art or something like that. Even though green is my least favorite color when it comes to nail art or anything like that, I do really like this color. It is not super bright, but it has that little bit of like popping of color going on that it is quite a cute and fun color to wear. Of course, with green colors like this, always make sure to apply a good base coat, because greens can be pretty staining to the nails, even though I don't have a lot of staining going on lately since I am wearing pretty much non-stop a little bit of base and gel or top coat that's gel on my nails. The reason behind that is just because it gives a little extra strength to my nails, because I have quite a manual daytime job and it just prevents from staining so good. And it's pretty easy to apply and also remove polishes afterwards without adding an extra layer of base, if you know what I mean. Because when I'm swatching colors or any colors in general, it's handy to just be able to remove it quite fast, and it doesn't really mess up the quality of the polish that you're applying. So yeah, that is why there is a little bit of gel base and top coat on my nails. But this next color, I have already shown you guys this one in the intro part. It is such a pretty one. It is called Forget Me Not, and I think it is actually named by the Forget Me Not kind of flowers, which have a similar blue color. I do feel like the true forget-me-not florals are a little bit more of like a brighter blue, but yeah, it comes pretty close nonetheless. Of course, because this is a lighter color, as I just mentioned a little earlier in this video, it definitely needs to coats to be somewhat like close to full opacity. I feel like it's still not completely opaque, so personally I would go for a third coat. But yeah, these polishes actually do dry pretty fast. I think I only had to wait like 3 minutes in between each coat to be like completely dry and ready to go in with the next layer. So that is pretty cool. But yeah, 2 coats and I'd say it's like 90% opaque, or at least on my length of nails. Once again, if you have shorter nails yourself, 2 coats is good to go. So these are actually pretty good, seeing how light these are. The next one is called Blue Skies Ahead. I have shared this one in the intro part of this video as well. I think it's a gorgeous color. As I said, I love blues at the moment. I love yellows as well. So that is why there are a little bit more polishes in this specific like swatch review video than the other colors. But yeah, I'm just really into those colors, and I feel like blue and yellow together is really pretty as well. So I might even do like a nail art video with these colors from this specific collection. I might do so in the future. I'm not quite sure if I have any like open spots left in my video schedule, because it is quite busy, to be honest. Like my entire summer is already fully booked. So yeah, I hope to maybe squeeze it in a little bit. But yeah, this color, it's just gorgeous. It is completely opaque with just 2 coats. It is kind of like a periwinkle sky blue kind of color. It's not perfect like exact blue, but there's like a little bit of purple tinge going on in this one. And yeah, it is just really stunning. I love it, of course, because it is a blue and those have a lot of pigments in them and they tend to stain a lot. Make sure to get that base coat on there. Next up is actually a beautiful light lilac kind of color, and this one is called Kaluna. I hope I pronounced this correctly, because I'm not quite sure what Kaluna is. Is it a flower? Is it a place? I don't know. If you know what it means, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. You guys know I am originally Dutch. I live and am born and raised in the Netherlands, so English isn't my mother tongue. So yeah, do let me know if you know what it means. And let's continue with the swatch, because this color, once again, it is quite light, so definitely don't judge it by its first coat. It is still a little sheer, a little patchy, but the second layer will definitely give it a little bit more body, a little bit more oomph, and just really adding an extra gorgeous layer makes this color come to life. It is one of those colors, once again, you can definitely wear it all year round. You might even be able to pull it off during winter as well. Just add like some white and purple snowflakes or something, and I think you have a beautiful nail art design for upcoming winter season. I think it's a beautiful color to use, especially for nail art backgrounds as well, because it is such a soft, delicate color. You can definitely combine it with a lot of different tones, not only purple or pinkish kind of colors. I feel like any color goes pretty well with this tone. But yeah, 2 coats once again. It is pretty much opaque. I love it so much. Please ignore the cat hair that is underneath that bottle. And yeah, there's nothing much left to say about that color. It is just gorgeous. The next one is also a color that I love to wear a lot just during the week, because it's a color that doesn't stain, but it's pretty gorgeous to wear. It is a beautiful beigey nude color, and it's called Bermuda Sand. It definitely is a sandy kind of color, but once again, if you're looking for a dupe, I do feel like the Sahara Sand, I think it's called Sahara Sand, I don't know. It is from the Catrice Icon Nails collection. It is number 111, which is a beautiful nudie kind of color as well, and it's almost pretty much opaque within 1 coat. So if you want to save a little money and don't want to get this specific one, but you are definitely loving the color, check out that Catrice Cosmetics one because it is gorgeous, it is very affordable, and it is quite easy to get by as well. But yeah, this color, it isn't a bad color though. It is a pretty decent polish. The tone will not specifically apply nicely for everyone or wear nicely for everyone because it is quite a light beigey nude. For me, it is one of the perfect nude kind of colors, but more on the beigey side. Usually I really love nude pinky kind of colors, but yeah, this one I don't know if it will suit every single skin tone, but for me it definitely does. Is it a wow color? Definitely not, but a pretty standard staple one to have in your collection. The next one I was actually kind of falling in love with, especially with the upcoming fall season coming up. This one is called Baked Apple. Like the name, the color, the formula, it just screams fall and autumn to me. I love this color and I definitely love the fall season as well. I am a fall girl myself, being born in early October. I just really love colors like these. It has a very warm undertone, which I don't hate, to be honest. Like colors like these are just pretty much my go-to when it comes to like a makeup look as well, especially during that time of year, like fall, winter, and so on. I think it's a gorgeous color. The application is quite smooth as well. I don't feel like it lacks in pigment. It is quite opaque with that first coat already. I would almost say this is a one coater. If you would have applied a little bit of a thicker coat than I just did, it is definitely a one coater, but if you don't want to wait forever before your nail polish is completely dry, just go for 2 thin coats and you are good to go within like 10 minutes. This color, I don't know, it's just gorgeous. It does something to me and I just love it. It's like love at first sight with this color. Maybe it's just because I'm longing for fall season and just the end of the year, just longing for that to start already, because it's just my favorite time of year, you know. But yeah, it's just a really gorgeous color and I love it so much. Then the last color that I picked up from this plant-based collection, I'd say, is Pitch Perfect. This is just your regular black. It is always good to have some different black colors from different brands. Maybe I'd even maybe do some kind of comparison video of different brands and their black polishes. Let me know in the comment section down below if you would like me to do a video on black polishes and kind of the battle of the black polishes to see which one is best, and also comparing pricing, formulation, maybe even application of the different brushes and so on. Definitely let me know what you think. And yeah, this color, it definitely is not a one coater. As you can see, it needs a second coat badly, but it isn't as bad as I expected it to be. Comparing this black one to, I'd say, the One Coat Black by Holo Taco, I think they're pretty similar. Because the One Coat Black by Holo Taco wasn't a one coater for me personally, but it is quite similar to that first coat I just applied by this of this H&M color. But yeah, that were all of the colors that I chose so far. I am quite curious to see if there are any different finishes of this one. And I also have planned another video of the quick dry ones. I still have to record that one. But yeah, let me know if you're interested to see more H&M colors, whether or not they are from this collection. I love to get their polishes because they're quite easy to get by and not that expensive either. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and yeah, as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos as well.